Hello and welcome back. This is how to use VI like a pro from Avionics. My name is Ahmed. In this lecture, we are going to introduce something called bookmarks in VI. The bookmarks, as the name suggests, is a way to mark your place in VI so that, for example, when you're editing a large file and you want to move from one place to another, you can use these bookmarks to jump from a saved location to another one. It's very easy. All you have to do is just place press the M followed by a letter. So you have 26 places for bookmarks, just like the name buffers. You have 26 places for them. And when you want to move back to the place that you have saved, you just press the single quote followed by the character that you have saved the bookmark in, as we said, from A to Z, or the tick, okay? And the tick is that character that is at just at the left of number one on your keyboard if you're on a PC. It's the same key that contains the tilde. Okay, this is called a tick. So you press a tick and then the character. And the difference between the single quote and the tick is that the first one will move you to the first character of the line containing the bookmark, while the second one will move you to the exact location of the bookmark. Okay, and of course you can use the double tick or the double single quote. That's two single quotes together that will always jump you back to the previous location you were in, regardless of which bookmark you were using. Now let's have an example for this. This is the HTML file that we are in, and imagine that here we have a place like, for example, this. This is the first item. We want to place a bookmark here, so we're going to press M and A. So M is mark and A is the bookmark name. We have marked our bookmark here in this first line. Now let's move to the first line in the file, and we imagine that we are going to add some text here. Meta core set equals UDF 8, for example. And now I want to move back to my bookmark. Okay, so I'm gonna press the single quote followed by the character, which was A. Okay, and as you can see, the cursor is here, moved here. Again, if I want to, and let's, for example, demonstrate how I can move to the exact location. I can have another bookmark here, which is mail to. Let's say this is gonna be B. And again, I'm gonna go to the first line of the file. And if I wanna go to the place where I placed my bookmark, it's a single quote and B. It will move me to the first character in the line where I placed my bookmark. But if I want to go to the exact location, I will press the tick followed by the bookmark, and it will move me. As you can see, the cursor is here. It will move me to the exact location where I have my bookmark. And as we said before, you can use the double quote like this, okay, to move you to the, or to jump to the exact location or the first character of the line where you were before you jump to any place in the file. So let's jump to place number 7, for example, perhaps number 12. Let's move a little bit in the file. Okay, so I jumped here. I want to move back. Okay, let's go inside a line. Okay, so I was here in this break without a paragraph break. I'm here at this sentence, and let's go to last bookmark. We have a place like this. Okay, so I'm here. I want to move back to where I were, to the exact location I was. So it's double tilde. Sorry, double tick. It will move me to the exact same location I was in before jumping, either through placing a number and then G, the line number, or moving to a bookmark like this. Okay, In all cases, the double tick will move me back to the location where I were before I have made the move. And you have here to make a very important distinction between VI and Vim. Actually, we're going to discuss the difference between VI and Vim later in this course, but you have to understand now that the bookmark locations in VI are capital or small letters. So a capital letter is the same as a small letter, but in Vim, the capital letters are different than the small letters. So this gives you two sets of locations. Each set of them is containing 26 characters from A to Z. So that is one of the parts that Vim enhances over VI. And finally, at the end of this section, I am providing you the cheat sheet as usual. This contains all the commands that we have discussed in this section. Please memorize these. Don't memorize these actually as just text. You will have to practice these commands in your file. If you are the developer, please open the source code of your files and try to use VI instead of other GUI editors like gedit, for example, or Notepad++, or all these editors. They are excellent, but if you want to be a VI pro, as we said in the title of this course, you will have to practice, and you have to practice a lot. So this brings us to the end of section 4. I am Ahmed from Adionics. Thanks for watching.